It's Suzy the Silly Scientist here, and we're going to celebrate Christmas in July. It is one horrible, hot, humid day today, so it's a great day to make snow. All right, so how do we make snow? Well, we go to our kitchen cupboard and we find 3 cups of baking soda. I happen to have 1 cup boxes, so I will dump all 3 cups into my baking dish, followed by a half a cup of white hair conditioner. Any brand will do. The only reason I'm choosing white is because snow is white. But if you want to make it with a different color, no problem. Maybe you'd like to have some pink snow, yellow snow. Ooh, maybe not yellow snow. Green snow, that might be a good choice. All right, I have a half a cup of conditioner, and into my pan goes that ingredient. So a little kitchen and bathroom hunting for supplies today, not just staying in the kitchen, and I am going to stir that all together in here. Oh, it is looking fluffy, just like a new fallen snow. All right, I think I'm going to put my hands right in there. Oh, wow, look at that. It even makes snowballs. This is actually kind of cool and refreshing on this hot day. Well, I thought maybe I would see if I could make a snowman today. So I'm going to try to make some snowballs. Here we go, bottom one. Here's another one. And a little snowball for the head. You know what? I think I'm going to make one bigger one if I can for the bottom. That conditioner just makes it stick right together. Okay, let's put that underneath there. All right, there's my snowman. I'm going to give him a little scarf using a pipe cleaner. We'll stick some buttons down. Ooh. Couple buttons. I think I got too big eyes out for the size of the snowman that I just made, but there's some googly eyes. And we can't forget a carrot nose. Oh, check out that little snowman. Isn't he just adorable? Those giant eyes are actually kind of fun. If you'd like to keep your snow and play with it a little bit longer, you can always store it in a Ziploc bag and use it another day. Well, here we go. One last thing with our snow today. I got my son's snowball maker out. I should be able to press that into a nice snowball and launch it. Let's try that one more time. Fill this up, press it down. There's a snowball. Woo! That one broke up. But anyway, have a grand old time. What a great outdoor activity for Christmas in July. I must issue a warning though about this snow dough. It is possible that the baking soda could kill your grass, so please play with your snow on the blacktop, in a parking lot, a driveway, on a sidewalk, or keep it in a container. Please keep it off your grass.